Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Huawei MateBook D16. In order to factory reset it, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced Options, Recovery, and click on Reset this PC. Now you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. So if you want to keep your files, then you most probably aren't selling the laptop, but you just something doesn't work, so it'll just reinstall Windows but keep your personal files. It'll also remove the apps and settings. It only keeps the personal files and also creates an HTML file on your desktop with the list of apps that were installed, so you'll know which apps to reinstall in order you've forgotten which apps you had on your laptop. It is pretty convenient, but I'm gonna choose to remove everything because I don't really care about having my personal files saved. I just want to delete everything. Then select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download will download and reinstall the freshest version of Windows from cloud, and the Local Reinstall will reinstall Windows based on the system image that is saved on this device. So I'm gonna choose Local Reinstall. Then you can also click on Change Settings, and here you can change different things like the most important settings, which is clean data. So if you set to no, then if it's set to no, then it'll remove the files, but it will not clean the drive, so it is not too secure. So I would only suggest setting it to no if you are not planning on selling your laptop, and if you are, then select it to yes. Then it may take hours for it to be factory reset, but it will make it much harder to recover the files. So I suggest enabling that option, but I'm gonna disable it because I am keeping this laptop. I just want to record a video for you how to factory reset it. So here is delete files from all drives. You can also enable that, but I'm only gonna delete files from my Windows drive because on other drives I have important files which I want to keep. Then if you want to reinstall, but I've been asked this question before, and then you can also select if you want to delete workplace resources. So if your laptop is connected to a workplace, then you can select it to yes or no. I'm gonna leave it as it is on default. Then I'm gonna click on next, and now it says that you should plug in your PC and you shouldn't unplug it after it's plugged in. So I'll be back in a moment with a charger. Okay, so I have the charger now. I'm gonna just plug it into the charging port, which is the first USB-C port, which is closer to the hinge. And now let's just wait until it charges. Until it starts. And remember to not turn off your PC while doing that, and not unplug the charger. After clicking on reset now, you shouldn't click anything on the keyboard because you may destroy something. So just leave it as it is and wait for it to be reset. And as you can see, the laptop has just been reset. Here you can choose the language from a short list of languages that are installed, and then click on continue and set it up. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.